Ako. Hindi lang. If you could be on the cover of any magazine, which would you choose and why? Then? Repeat? Okay. If you could be on the cover of any magazine, which would you choose and why? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. If I could be a model in a magazine, I choose to be a model in Avon. Why? Because some people criticize me because of this tiny tube. And with that magazine, I believe that I could express myself not just to show that I am beautiful, but to show that I can empower women through embracing myself and fixing my confidence by showing who I am. Thank